Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन भक्तन की जय, धामेश्वर महाप्रभु की जय, धामवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि बोल। Allah, Vaishnavas near to this God, blissful and merciful. All His kindness, His softness, sweetness, any nectar they are collecting, they are distributing. Like in earth too, many plants, mango, guava, lychee, and all other trees or roots which is collecting many sweet nectar juice. They are stocking after they are distributing. Many Vaishnavas Bhaktas, they are within own capacity with this. They got His grace and mercies, sweetness, softness, all nectars, they are collecting. After they are distributing. Like honey bee, drinking flowers, all honey, poison, air, they are all flowers, trees too. After they are stalking, first drinking, after vomiting. Then it's called honey. Other is not honey, that is not money. The Vaishnavas is first is taking and then vomiting when he is distributing, they are called Mahaprasad. Krishna Prasad, Mahaprasad. After Vaishnavas taking then, Adharamrita called Mahaprasad. So now all Vaishnavas near to this nectar is all are collecting and taking, but seriously, then this will be very helpful. Otherwise, I am neglecting, not respecting, then not accepting, then I am lost my everything. Therefore, Vaishnava Swiss and Sadhu Sangha, Vaishnava Sangha. Vaishnava Sangha meaning is not only embracing, kissing and this fighting and wrestling. This is not called Vaishnava Sangha. Vaishnavas is word, and these Vaishnavas, this mode, they are expressed, they are giving delivery, then they are to collecting and taking, then is all will happen. Otherwise, only one snake one day gone under palm tree, big tree, 40 meters, and under he is sitting. He is thinking, very good smell is coming. At the moment, ripe palm fruits is fallen down and smash his body, broken his all quills, and now he say, আর কি গাধা তালতলাতে যায়, I am gone under palm tree. Now one big fruits is came, smashed my body, broken my body. So own choice it is. When Vaishnava is near, then all time is suffering. There is arguing, there is smashing, there is cutting, there is beating, there is all time torturing, hating. Why I came here? I am arrested in jail, more prisoner. There is only beating one day. After no more punishment, but here is every moment punishment. If it is wrong, if it is bad, if it is not right, all time is torture. What is this matter? But don't know take process. Fruit is right fruit, but taking process also needs. Now, all our question is, Maharaj, Param Pujya Maharaj is asking, what is the meaning? Like he is poking in honey's nest. How dropping honey? He is not only taking, giving everybody. This is nature, teacher, like my Trivikram Maharaj. All time is program. Uddhavinaya is coming and is telling very bad against question. Telling Radhe, sannyasi. How are sannyasi? no chanting Krishna Nam, not giving advice for Krishna Nam. Radhe Radhe. He is all time teasing Gurudev. And more bad telling. Gopi telling. Sannyasi. And all time enjoy. Very bad telling. But Gurudev is very angry, like he's giving an answer. And after he's clapping. Good, this is good. This is thank you for this thing. Very happy. Why? In it, out not coming, people cannot understand. And question is very helpful for all jivas. But question not coming, jivas near. Why? They have no any research for desire. Brain exercise they can do. Health exercise can do. The lazy, crazy, sleeping and eating, sleep not coming, can take Valium 5. And then Calcarea falls. After many other medicine. Good sleep, soundless, but never coming. The people, how will be happy? They are not brain exercising. This brain not using for Krishna consciousness. Then there is useless person. Therefore, necessary all time. This reading and remembering and praying, and then many portion is coming on here. Next, how can progressing? How can understanding? They know everything, but technology, Puchen and Jaya. How this is will be perfect and strong, this will be truthful and practicing I am. This is running my mood, never I am going back. Therefore asking this Vaishnava, that Vaishnava, Shastra, everywhere praying. This is Vaishnava's rule. They are not thinking I am great, I know everything, I have understanding. Why I am asking question is junior, near, any other near. Their classes, why I am hearing? Prabhupada Thakur, his disciples near, grand disciples near, is sitting and hearing or classes and Harikatha. So this is Avaishnava Mukhodgirnam. Uttam Harikathamritam. There is Kanishta Adhikari. Kumar Swadha now new king. They are near to hearing Harikatha. But people has false pride, ignorance, jivo. They are not Vaishnava. Vaishnava means Hoyachen, Hoiben, Prabhur Gattas, Savar, Charnabandhu, Dante Karikas. Oh, now present Vaishnava, before it, past time Vaishnava, future will be very Vaishnava. Everybody is for praying. Vaishnavism very hidden things and very secret and very sharp line. But Vaishnava who will be how understanding new king and then they have love for Harikatha, Sivan Mokritti. Continuously they like the researching. They are greedy. They are near hearing, I will be greedy and strong. They are necessary, all are conclusion, hearing and praying. What is right? What is heartfelt task? What is my soul for helpful? Everything, then calming. And Vaishnavas, bhaktis, all program, this is cleaning, washing and showing on soul. Now, I am not, time is stealing. Time is not waiting for anybody. All are costly time. Bhajan. Life is very serious. They come, left everything, come for bhajan, not bhajan. Now, saying, Shiv Thakur telling Parvati Devi, if following Maha Dadusi, and also Nandavas for Parjan Rishi for telling you, telling Nandava, Jasda, they are following Mahadadusi. Now question is come, they are before not following Kadusi, they are following Kadusi. Ambikavan, Ekadashi after night time Yajna, starting, complete night, they cannot sleeping. Then Vidyadhar, snack is came and eating Nandava. Say, Oh, Nanda Baba, feet I am dust is taking, and then I get liberation. Then how can he is taking feet dust? He taking and feet is eating. All eating Nanda Baba, completely my stomach. Then automatic I am get liberation. Bhaktapada Dhuli and Bhaktapada Jal, Bhakta Bhakta Avasestin Sadhaner Ball, Bhakta's feet dust, why every day taking? Bhakta's feet will be my heart. But belly inside, then all time dust is coming. All time I get liberation, no more problem coming in life to life, no cards coming here. Then he is snake, foolish number one, by cards he is snake now. He is now eating on the Baba. Complete half eating. That all Brajavasya firewood with his breathing, but rubber body. No is problem. Fire giving, no problem. He is eating Nanda Baba, cooling is everything. Nanda Baba's feet is Kotichanda Suritor Nitaipada Kamala. Nanda Baba's Charan Kamal, not his fire is cooling. He has no problem now. Now all are crying. After Joshamata telling Krishna, you are sleeping, resting, and one snake is eating Nanda Baba. He came, he said, hey, without my permission, how is he eating Nanda Baba? His feet is kicking, and he is now leaving his body, snake body, he getting his Swarup body, spiritual body. And he is now doing parikrama and praying. All are looking, Baba, night time is sun rising like more than million sun. How is shining his body too, and many oil, and he is praying, requesting, offering pranam, dandavat, doing parikrama. And after Krishna said, I will be with you, your friends. No. You go back, Gandharva Loka. You go to your house, no more here, no more insulting and sadhus. Sadhus are insulting, abusing sadhus, hating sadhus. Now, Nanda Baba sadhus feet dust with his and touching his feet to get liberation. Go, no more doing nonsense business. He is now gone. After Nanda Baba, next time Ekadasi time, before sun rising, no need. This Brahma Murta before, no going any river, any other way. Then Burnos, all soldiers, armies, all are everywhere moving. Mostly 12 o'clock to evening time, 9 o'clock to 9 p.m. to 3 p.m. That time, no need Ganga, Yamuna, bathing for any other way. Why? Special day, moon eclipse, sun eclipse, then is special. Otherwise, any other day cannot go in. After 3 o'clock, bathing is good. Now, Nanda Bhagavan, you all are know. Varun Dev, looking, this is good time for me. This is, I am catching Nanda Baba, taking Nanda Baba, my Varun Loka, then Krishna automatically coming, giving darshan. Others know I am catching Bhakta, devotee, and Nanda Baba, near and dear is Krishna, then Krishna never giving darshan. Now catch and going there and worshipping him, giving him seeds, you take rest, everything telling. Now no more, now is Brata time. Now you are resting. Krishna hearing and Krishna jumping and gone. And they are worshipping Krishna, giving presentation, Nanda Baba watching everything. After taking Nanda Baba and come back. This all are known. But today Shiv Thakur telling Mahadadji Brata following for. What is the meaning? Therefore, Haribhakti Vilas, Sanatana Goswami writing this Mahadadji Brata. 8 Mahadadji. Also, other things, special things, Mahadadji Brata meanings, Ekad Dashami day, anybody not eating grains, only fruits and roots, milk, yogurt, no honey, one time taking. After Ekadasi Nirjala Brata, Dadashi day, any Guru, Vaishnava, priest, gods, persons, respected, everybody is feeding. But what are you taking? Only Charanamrita, some fruits and roots. And that day also fasting with fruits, roots. Complete 3 days. After that day, all Vaishnava Bhaktas giving prasadam. Next day, Trayodasi day, they are eating his grains. Ekadasi day, he left his grains, offering bhoga, offering haris, and after Vaishnavas, this is called Pradosh Vrata. Many people following only one day Pradosh, but not every day, at all times. So these 3 days Vrata Shastra saying. Okay, not possible, then Dasami day, one time grains, and night time nothing. Otherwise, gas coming out, yeah, sometime yawning, and some grains is come up, then Vrata breaking. Your stomach has grains, this is also not good. Therefore, afternoon, taking prasadam, afternoon. And Ekadasi day Nirjala fasting, night time not sleeping, eating then not possible, you controlling sleep. After next day, they are taking Charnamrita, after Vaishnava Bhakta prasadam giving, and they are remnants which is to breaking Vrata. This is secondary. Third is, okay, no possible, then drinking some water Ekadasi day, yeah, some fruits and roots. No many times. Many times there is Vrata breaking. Only sickness people, poor money, or old people, babies for these rules. Fruits and roots, oh, must be one time, this is enough, no many times. Now this is fashion. This is like is now professional, Ekadasi. But no understanding. Shiv Thakur telling this Mahadasi Vrata meaning all Bhakta devotees of Ambarish Maharaj has come Mathura. He is Dasami day inviting, Ekadasi day and night Kirtan, Harikatha, all program, Dvadas day, all Bhakta Vaishnavas, Seva, service. Without Bhakta Seva, only God, Titi following, this is not his sweet. Therefore you going Mathura Vrindavan, yeah, any Holy Dham, there you looking, all Brajavasiya Bhaktas are, that day Ekadasi, day after, nice they are in Christian program. First Vaishnava Bhaktas, devotees, sadhus, they give prasadam, they eating and they give dakshina, they are happy, then next program. Otherwise they cannot breaking Vrata. So now Shiv Thakur telling, Mahadasi, great gift, soul, the realized soul, you are inviting. They are coming, they are taking prasadam, and their heart has God place. Vaishnava Hriday Sada Govinda Vishram. Govinda kahe nama Vaishnava Param. Pratijanme Koryami Koryasap Vaishnava Tuli Charana Tuli. This is things for Govinda is where present Vaishnava's heart, Bhakta's heart. That Bhaktas you feeding, Bhaktas you serving, Bhaktas association, then your Ekadasi Vrata will be complete. Otherwise no Ekadasi Vrata. Ekadasi Vrata fasting, this is not everything. You are not taking grains, what you are? Too much. Many sick person hospital, they cannot eating fasting. Coma, many days not eating. Many womb to babies born, they are also not eating grains, nothing. Also, doctor not giving any foods, they are fasting. Then they are getting this benefit. I am left these grains one day. Next day, Dvadas day, any Hariguru Vaishnava Bhaktas I am feeling. There is God, personal person. Their heart is melting. Service families with this. Therefore, Shastamata starting But Dadusi Prata, that day, Bhagavad Rishi, Sandil Rishi, Dwarka Rishi, and Saptasi, Maharishi, Brahmarshi, Rajarshi, Kandarshi, Tapasshi, everybody inviting. See, now their heart is love for God. How can I am getting this love? Shiv Thakur teaching. This is good process. This is called Mahadadusi Vrata. Now all are crazy and lazy. Dadusi day, fast, early morning. Oh, potato fry, rice, pakodi, halua, paratha, taking, hiding, or eating, finishing. No Bhakta Prasad, no Vaishnava Prasad, no serving them. Now, new process. Shiv Thakur teaching. Also, Shiv Thakur himself is coming, serving God. Shiving Yajna not possible. Any big program, I am looking Guru Vargas. Therefore, Gurudev, Shiv Thakur, any temple, Shivratri Vrata is following and respecting. Why? Shiv Thakur teaching everybody. This Radharani is Upasana. Munindra Vindabandite, he is teaching. Ashtakaliya Lila, Ashtam Sadhan, he is teaching. He is teaching how can you conquer Krishna. Vaishnava Seva, Bhakta Seva. Therefore, they do Nanda Baba. Every day is serving, but mostly Dadusi day is arranging this Dadusi Vrata. All Bhakta devotee is coming line by line. Ambarisma is starting, but he is defeated within Durvasa Rishi, but Durvasa not defeating him, he is defeated within God, by Lord. Therefore, all are try to understanding reality, meanings. No understanding, then no entrance, no entrance. Bhakta Seva, Parama Siddhi. Ekadashi day, Bhakti Thakur paying, Bhakta Seva, Parama Siddhi. That you cannot serving Bhakta, Ekadashi day Bhakta Seva, not possible. How Bhakta is serving? Only Kirtan, Harikatha, Harinam. But next day is Bhakta is you fitting and pleasing. Then their heart is this love is coming. Then by love, your win is Krishna. Krishna is coming. Then Jostamata say, yes, truthful. But after Krishna is get birth, then one day Durvasa Rishi came, asking, Jasda, I am very hungry, but I cannot take your anything. Say, why? You are now dirty. Your son is very dirty. And you are like him, taking lap, your body dirty, your house is dirty now, here and there, I can take anything. Then Joseph said, no. Hey Rohini, you take care of Krishna. I am feeding in Durvasa Rishi. Otherwise, he is not will be happy, then his big problem coming. His tasting will come. Yes, love for Krishna, love for us. Konishta Adhikari, Archayame Vaharai Japujang Sraddhe Hati, Natat Bhaktishu Choineshu, Sabhakta Prakita Smita. Only Hari Archan they do. But Bhakta is not, Vaishnava is not worshipping. Durvasa Rishi come, and Durvasa Rishi looking, Jasda not like is foolish. Jasda not thinking Krishna, but thinking Rishi Maharishi, Brahmas. In this world, Vaishnava Seva, Chadiya Vaishnava Seva, Nistar Bhesi Keva. Vaishnava service, Vaishnava not greedy for any other service, but Vaishnava Seva without cannot progressing, not developing. This is Mahadadusi Vrata time, this program and writing, this meanings. Now, next time, next other program time explaining.
When we were in Agrat last week, you mentioned in Agrat last week, we went to this place in Road, And he said that Gopinath, his deity, he promised that on his disappearance day he will arrange festival.
Sadhu ceremony.
So like
Today is running big is Agrodip Mela. Crowd, color people is there today. Govinda Ghosh Shraddha. Agrodip Mela.
What Gopinath did today?
Doing Sadhu ceremony.
He appeared doing.
Yes. Now also his deities wearing white cloth. And he's today shaving head and going Father Govinda Ghosh Shraddha Bank of Ganga. Big program, big PC go today and looking, understanding. Every year running this one. चलो, हे कृष्ण प्रेम, क्या तपस्या करते इधर कीर्तन करो, आओ.